Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Darush Zain and welcome back to Darush Zain Studio. So it has been a while since I uploaded a new video to the channel, and today I will continue with a video of me sharing on how to create a clock interface using Python. So we head to File Explorer and navigate to where we want to store the Python code. For me, I will create a new folder and name it as clock. The name doesn't matter much, so you can put any name on it. Then we will create a new text document and name it as app.py. The name app can be changed to any name that you like, but the file extension need to be .py. So press enter and yes. Then open the code using your preferred text editor, and for me I will be using Sublime Text. In the text editor, we need to import tkinter library. From tkinter, import all. tkinter is for us to make user interface, and then we need to import time so that we can display the time in the tkinter interface. Then we need to specify the window of our user interface as tk. Then we need to create a label for the clock, and we name it as clock equal to label, and the label will be in the window, will be inside the window named window, and then the text, we will put a default text where hash and this will only be a temporary text, and we will change the text into the time later. So clock.greet for specifying the position of the label, so column equal to 0, comma row equal to 0. Then we need to create a new function that will update the clock every 1 second. So we name it as update time, and then the variable for time string for us to get the time, we need to call the strf time from the time library, and name it as percentage hash for hour and percentage m for minute and percentage s for second. Then we need to update the label, the label name clock, and we will do clock.config, and the text will be equal to the variable the time. And then we need to update the interface for every 1 second. So here is 1000 millisecond. Then the function, so that we can update the time every 1 second. Then we need to run the function first, so that the time start to be specified. Then we make the window in a loop, and then save. Then I will open the command prompt and then navigate to the folder where I store the code, which is clock, and there we have the app.py. To run the code, we will type python app and the name of the code, app.py. And here we have the time, 18 for 6 in the evening, 6:39 minutes. And there you have the clock interface using Python. And that is all for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.